The most chocolatey chocolate ice cream. Ingredients listed makes about 1 quart. Special equipment immersion blender. 1½ cups heavy cream. 1½ cups plus 2 tablespoons of whole milk. 3/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons, 175 grams, of sugar. Half teaspoon, 2 grams, kosher salt. 6 large egg yolks. 2 ounces, 56 grams, of unsweetened chocolate discs, 99% cacao, preferably Michel Cluizel. 1/4 cup, 28 grams, unsweetened cocoa powder. 1. Pour the cream and milk into a double boiler or a heat-proof bowl set over a saucepan of simmering water. The bottom of the bowl should not touch the water. Whisk in 1/4 cup, 50 grams, of the sugar and the salt and stir until both have dissolved. Warm the mixture until you see steam rising from the top. 2. Meanwhile, prepare an ice bath in a large bowl and set another bowl over it. Set aside. 3. In a medium bowl, with a kitchen towel underneath it to prevent slipping, whisk together the egg yolks with the remaining ½ cup plus 2 tablespoons, 125 grams, sugar until uniform. While whisking, add a splash of the hot dairy mixture to the yolks. Set the heat under the double boiler to medium and cook the custard, stirring continuously with a wooden spoon and reducing the heat to medium-low as necessary, until steam begins to rise from the surface and the custard thickens enough to coat the back of the spoon. Hold the spoon horizontally and run your finger through the custard. If the trail left by your finger stays separated, the custard is ready to be cooled. Remove the custard from the heat and stir in the chocolate and cocoa powder until the chocolate has melted completely and, using an immersion blender, buzz the custard until it is uniform. 4. Strain the custard into the bowl sitting over the prepared ice bath and stir for 3 to 5 minutes, or until the custard has cooled. Transfer the custard to a quart-size container, cover, and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or, preferably, overnight. When properly chilled and hydrated, the custard will be thick, like pudding. 5. Pour the chilled custard into an ice cream maker and freeze according to the manufacturer's instructions. Place the container in which you refrigerated the custard in the freezer so you can use it to store the finished ice cream. Transfer the ice cream to the chilled storage container and freeze it until hardened to your desired consistency. The ice cream will keep, frozen, for up to 7 days.